I'm Vicki Rudolph, and I am the rug hooking teacher at the San Francisco School of Needlework and Design. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this strip and hold it up under the bottom of the hoop. We're going to take our hook and we're going to insert it horizontally into the hoop. And so here we are hooking the strip around the heart. Some people prefer to hook their wool in a straight line or in a diagonal line. It just depends on what you want to do as an artist. Let's say you wanted to do a horizontal heart. You can just hook it straight across as a horizontal. The other thing you may decide you'd like to do is take your strip of wool and do it in a wild pattern. You don't have, it's called higgly-piggly. You don't have to have any direction. It just fills in your area without having to make any design. And that is how we rug hook.